The lights?
See, look at the dust.
Oh, they're very dusty. That's what Angel said. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can feel the car. It's wobbly. The wind. You can hear it. So right now it's 6:10 and we're driving in a freeway while the dust storm is happening, right? And you can feel the wind blowing so hard.
It is charging?
So yeah, look at those trees and everything. The what?
Look at all that stuff on the wall.
Oh, what are those?
There's stuff that looks like dirt.
The dirt.
See that stuff?
Uh-huh.
I don't know what that is. And all the walls are getting dusty.
Yeah, it's hard to see in front, see?
Yeah.
Can't barely see anything.
Yeah, we can see on this side either.
Uh-huh.
This is not what you see every day.
Is this the first time you've seen this one?
Yes.
Oh,
There
really?
was like a lot of sand in
Yeah.
our country.
Yeah.
There was like wind, and also our mattress like moved and flooded.
Really? Oh my gosh, I can
And
imagine.
inside the house, though.
Not inside the house, outside.
Yes.
Yeah. It's hard to see in front of you.
And I get it all dirty.
Yeah. So we have.
See this? Look it. You don't see the town.
Yeah, you don't see anything.
And you don't see the town.
So do we have to pull over once the when it's 6:45, or we could just drive all the way?
We'll see.
Just depends.
I guess the grain is getting all dirty.
Yeah. Ooh, wow. Look,
Everything has to wash
you
off.
feel the wind? It was really strong wind.
Yes, windows are cold.
Wow.
Everything is shut.
It's getting darker, darker.
Yes. And it's getting really browner and browner.
Browner and browner. Yep, you're very nice.
Don't,
What you see?
there's like a box covered in dirt. Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
What?
The dirt will come in, my love.
I want to be able to see what is going on.
Yeah, until we have to clean the inside. Oh my gosh, I barely see the... Oh my gosh. We're slowing down. You can't see anything! Oh my gosh, I can't see anything on that side right there. Over there. Yeah. Gosh. This is not happening. You're
Not supposed to happen.
you're so funny.
Look at the town.
Oh my gosh, I don't see anything in here.
Oh yeah. You can't see the lights either.
I think everybody's turning.
You can't see anything.
Yep, just slowing down.
Somebody opens their window.
Oh, this is not good. This is not good, my love. This is really strong.
This is not good.
Yeah, this is where we're going
It's
in
not good at all.
in a very bad sandstorm.
Yes.
Someone just pulled over.
You don't see anything now. Okay, this is kind of freaky.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
It's kind of freaky.
Turn on your light, my love.
Turn on your light. Look at everybody else. They're
Yeah.
turning on the lights.
Be careful, 202. That's my man.
You need to-
You gotta take a picture of it.
Oh my gosh.
I don't see my mom's house anymore.
Yeah, yeah.